Leia and Scarlett having their graham cracker for dessert. And Leia keeps dropping her, so now she's going after Scarlett's. You gonna get Scarlett? You gonna get sister? Are you gonna get sister? Oh, you took her graham cracker from her. She took it, Scarlett. Can you get it back? Leia just took it. Leia, you stole Scarlett's graham cracker. Oh, now what are you gonna do with it? Miss Leia, shall we get you down and go take a bath? Now that Scarlett's... You look like you're going to go over on your head, darling. Good thing you guys are strapped in there. All right, Bubba's, we'll get you ready for bath. You know, you're getting all kinds of stuff up there. Say bye-bye.